Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can see the shipping price on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com, so this is how the homepage looks like. So firstly, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then for example, we're gonna go to the search bar and search for a product. So for example, I'm going to search for shoes. If you click on this little image icon, you can also search by image by uploading an image from your PC. So we're going to just type shoes, click on search, and then as you can see guys right here, you're going to find the results for your search. So for example, we're going to choose a pair of shoes, for example, this one. And then you're going to be right here in this page. So right here, you're going to find the product name, and under it, you're going to find the price. Right here, you're going to find some informations about the shipping fee. As you can see guys from here, it's 5 CNY. And right here, you're going to find the informations for the shipping. Also from here, you can choose the size. For example, we're going to choose this one. You can choose the color, the quantity, and if you scroll down right here, you're gonna find some terms, and here you're gonna find two options: buy now and add to cart. So make sure that you click on agreed and then click on buy now, and then from here you can choose your destination, and right here you're gonna find the total amount that you need to pay. So go ahead, click on I have read and agree, and then click on submit order. And then all you need to do, guys, right now is to pay your order. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.